Stop. Sit down.
Yeah.
Okay, that's your
You want
charge.
me to sit down? Yeah, you want me to sit down?
Okay.
You stand for nothing. You stand for degradation. You don't stand for truth, and you don't stand for peace. You stand for dishonesty and lies. You, Bloomington Police Department. F you.
On the 15th of July, 2025, officers of the Bloomington Police Department in McLean County, Illinois, responded to a protection order violation. The subject had exposed her location by calling 911 from an address she was legally prohibited from entering.
Hey, stop.
In our apartment.
Stop.
My husband is calling me in so he can a 19-year-old in our apartment. Why don't you ask him? Tell the truth for once. Yeah.
Jessica, you reek of booze.
My name's
not supposed to
be Jessica. My name's not Jessica. Mother. You don't even know what my goddamn name is.
It's Elizabeth.
24's got one in custody.
Believe me.
You are on probation.
I don't give a
2 days ago.
Needs to die, and I'm ready to
2
do
days
it
ago.
myself. Because you guys are cowards.
Okay.
They run Christian Pay Center. They'll vouch
Okay.
for me. They hate his guts.
Elizabeth.
He's a liar.
Elizabeth.
He's a liar. I'm divorcing him.
Okay.
And the divorce date can't come fast enough.
Understandable.
Why is
However,
it my fault?
I already
He's
told
the
you.
asshole who won't get out of my lawn.
I already told you I had probable cause for your arrest. You were under arrest, and then you resisted arrest.
I don't give a He's the asshole who's manipulating you guys. He wants a 19-year-old in her bed. Just when you take him to the jail, that's what you're gonna do. He's gonna call her up.
You're gonna care about that.
I care because it's still my place. And that's rude. We're not technically divorced yet.
Okay.
And supposedly he's a God-fearing Christian and he believes in not committing adultery. Apparently that's what he'll tell people.
Okay.
Apparently all he does is talk lies. So be on his side and you be a fool.
Roll over to the other side
You're
for
a
me.
fool for believing him. My husband is the perpetrator, not me. He just wants to bang some 19-year-old.
Is that just a key on her arm thing, I'm guessing?
He's kicking me out the house so he can do
I think
it.
it's just a bug bracelet.
Is this just a bug
Wake
bracelet?
up! Wake up!
Hey.
Wake up!
Is this just a bug
Yeah,
bracelet?
it's a citronella bracelet.
Okay.
I will turn Miranda.
Okay. You can stop threatening me, Elizabeth, okay?
I'm not threatening you.
Stop. Sit
down. Yeah.
Okay, that's
You
your
want me
charge.
to sit down? Yeah, you want me to sit down? Yeah, you want me to sit down?
You didn't know-
Yeah, you want me to sit down?
You were
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
spray
sprayed.
you. You want pepper sprayed?
No, I don't.
Then
I'm
stop.
gonna kick you in the fucking face.
Okay.
Believe James. Bring it for one goddamn second.
Elizabeth,
Let go of my leg.
stop.
Don't believe
Stop.
him. Don't believe
Stop.
him. You're the
Sit back.
Get away from me.
Sit back.
Get me!
Sit back.
That's another charge, Elizabeth.
I don't give a
That's you
fuck.
got 2 for battering an officer, and you're trying to fight.
Let me go. Let me go.
Elizabeth, I'm gonna spray you. I don't care. Okay, get it out of your mouth.
No.
Elizabeth, stop.
Get it out of your mouth.
No.
Okay.
Get off me, cunt.
Okay.
Elizabeth, stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Elizabeth, stop.
No. No. I believe in a liar.
She can slam her head on there as much as she wants. I don't care now. Jesus Christ. What are you doing? Stop. Pip, can you come back over here, please? Elizabeth, if I open that door again, I'm going to spray you.
For believing in liar. You and like
You get
You're
a court
fucking
date.
Waste of time.
You get a court date.
Fuck you. I hate you. I hate you all.
Just turn around and sit on your ass.
I don't give a what you tell me. I'm not this. I don't not abide by terrorists.
Turn around and sit on your ass.
You're a terrorist. No, I will not.
She's completely backwards in there now.
Terrorist.
Turn around and sit on your ass.
Come from Mexico City, bitch. I don't come from Mexico City.
Elizabeth.
Okay.
Get back in the car. You are under arrest.
Fight me.
No.
You
Stop.
are under arrest.
No.
For multiple charges right now.
Leave me alone.
Racking them up. Sit back.
Let go of me.
Okay.
I will not go.
Okay.
I will not go. I will not go. Ow!
Get in there.
It just broke my foot. Fuck you.
Car.
No. Ow. No. No. No.
Okay, I got spray in my eye.
We got her in a car. Roll rescue. She sprayed.
She fucking swatted it right back in my face.
Are you going to stop? Rescue's coming to wash that out of your eyes.
Thank you.
And then we're going to jail. You understand?
Yeah.
Do not fight again or it will happen again.
Okay.
Elizabeth, why?
I don't take kindly to bullshit.
I understand.
And he has you convinced of his bullshit.
I
And that is not
understand.
cool.
However,
I need an attorney, and I
Elizabeth.
need it right now.
Hear me out.
And I need to call my family, and they need to get me an attorney stat. He was going to drive me there.
One will be provided to you.
No, they won't. It takes about a month and a half for McLean County to get me a defense attorney.
Okay.
I've already seen it happen. It takes time. I need one today, not yesterday. Especially when I got a husband who just wants to get me out of the house so you troll him.
All right, Elizabeth.
I'm not joking.
Elizabeth,
Look it up.
I'm not arguing.
Look at his
about that.
criminal history in Seattle.
I'm not.
He's a
arguing
domestic
about that.
violence insane
Hear
person.
me out. I gotta read you these 5. You know the 5, all right?
Read them to me anyway.
You have the right to remain silent. You understand your rights.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand. You got arrested a couple weeks ago, and now you're saying that's bullshit. However, you have an open court case with that one that says you cannot have contact with them or go over to Orchard. You went over there 2 days ago, and you called us.
I didn't call you.
You did call us.
I called normal.
You
when
called
I was
us.
in normal.
It was recorded.
No, I did call you.
It was on a recorded line. I spoke
did.
with my dispatch. You said, my name's Elizabeth. My husband, never mind, I gotta go. And you gave the address of Orchard. James said you were over there. At that point, I had probable cause for your arrest for violating that no contact order. Today, you racked up a slew of charges. You got resisting, and then you have ag battery because you kicked both of us.
But you were also being stupid and arresting me on...
No, I'm
lies.
arresting you on valid probable cause. But you didn't want to listen. You wanted to argue and fight. That's how we ended up here today. So rescue's going to clean out your eye, and then we're going over to county. Do you want to make any statements what happened 2 days ago? What were you doing over at Orchard?
Like he said, I knocked on the back door and asked for my bag, and he said no, and then I left.
Okay. Now, if I open that door, will you be fine with them to rinse out your eye? Okay.
I have a contact.
Okay. Elizabeth, I've been talking to you for years, and I know. And I don't know how you got incorporated with James, but I know it's not good. You guys need to separate.
Well, yeah, but I can't make him leave, and he won't leave. And all my belongings are there. So I'm in a kind of conundrum.
You should have followed through with that OP like I told you.
Well, you're right, and it's still sitting there, and I'm doing it.
You were good for almost a whole year not drinking.
Yeah.
And you see what happens when you drink? This. You're a decent person until you have alcohol in your system, and then you make really bad decisions.
Yeah. You leave me no hope, Bloomington, Illinois. You're a piece of shit of a city.
Hey, Elizabeth.
You! Relax! Yeah, you relax when someone's hog-tying you, of a cop. So, you.
You get
You have no case! I'm
okay.
I'm gonna take her shoes out of there.
You'll drive me.
decide
Take
if
me
there's a
straight
way
to
we
the
can-
coroner's office. Take me to the coroner's office.
All right, let's get her out of here.
Also, you can defend somebody who wants a fucking 19-year-old. Oh wow, I really support you. Not. I will never work for your state of Illinois again. You will never get another tax dime from me. You fucking bullshit. Bullshit! You stand for nothing. You stand for degradation. You don't stand for truth. And you don't stand for peace. You stand for dishonesty and lies. Fuck you, Bloomington Police Department. Fuck you.
Illinois Statute 750, ILCS 60, Section 220, removes officer discretion entirely. When probable cause exists for a protection order violation, arrest is mandatory by law. The officer had no legal authority to issue a warning and leave. Under Graham v. Connor, decided by the U.S. Supreme Court in 1989, force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision based on the totality of circumstances. Active physical battery of 2 officers justified escalation to OC spray. Illinois Statute 720 ILCS 5 Section 12 to 3.05 subsection D 4 defines aggravated battery of a peace officer as a Class 2 felony. The sentencing range is 3 to 7 years. 2 counts were charged consistent with kicking both officers on camera. At 5 minutes, 21 seconds on the body cam, the subject stated, "I need an attorney, and I need it right now." Under Edwards v. Arizona decided in 1981 that invocation immediately terminates all police-initiated questioning. The rule has no time limit and no exceptions absent voluntary reinitiation by the suspect. At 6 minutes 50 seconds, the officer asked the subject directly about the events that led to the original arrest. Under Rhode Island versus Innis decided in 1980 any question reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response constitutes interrogation. The resulting admission is subject to suppression under Edwards versus Arizona. Under the independent source doctrine, affirmed in Murray v. United States in 1988, evidence derived from a lawful independent source remains admissible even when a related constitutional violation occurred. The recorded 911 call and the protected party's statement established probable cause entirely independent of post-arrest admissions. The subject made 2 suicidal statements during the encounter. Under City of Revere versus B. Massachusetts General Hospital decided in 1983 officers have a constitutional duty to provide medical care to individuals in custody who present a serious health risk. A statement of indifference to self-harm while in custody creates direct civil liability. 3 legal lessons arise from this encounter. First, a mandatory arrest statute removes discretion and compels action. Second, an invocation of counsel under Edwards v. Arizona is absolute and must be respected immediately. Third, a lawful arrest and a procedurally clean arrest are not the same thing. Both are required to withstand judicial and civil scrutiny.